Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. As many of you may know, we just returned from our 2-month trip to Spain where we walked the Camino de Santiago. Now we're trying to get back into our regular everyday lives.
So we're back to our lives as ER travel nurses. We just took a contract here in Arizona. We're going to be here for the next few months.
So our first order of business now that we're back is to fix a problem we've had since we bought our new rig back in November of last year.
So we used to tow a 25-foot Airstream. Since we upgraded to the 30-footer, we did get a new hitch system installed on it. Unfortunately, we've tried adjusting it. We've tried redistributing the weight inside of the trailer. Nothing has alleviated the sway. So that's why we decided, after a lot of research and a lot of help from people on the forums, we decided to go with a Hensley Arrow.
So a lot of people would say that the Hensley Arrow is overkill for our rig, but we really just want to feel safe and be safe out there. So we installed this ourselves and it was quite the experience. So the installation, I think we only got divorced about 15 times that day.
Give or take.
Give or take. Overall, we think it was a good experience. We were able to really learn the ins and outs of the hitch system while we were installing it.
So the only problems that we really ran across is that we had a gas line that we had to relocate. Installing the Hensley was fairly straightforward. It basically consisted of slapping the hitch on the stinger, which goes into the hitch of your truck, backing it up, and then putting the support equipment on. So there were more than one trips to the hardware store to get exactly what we needed, but I think it went fairly well and fairly smooth. We don't have a lot of hardcore mechanical experience, and we were able to do it.
Yeah. So I think probably the scariest part for us through the whole process was when we actually had to drill holes into the frame to attach the brackets.
But even still, the brackets actually act as a guide, so it's not like you were going to drill in the wrong place as long as your measurements were correct.
So overall, the installation went pretty well. We have not taken it out and driven it yet, so that's something we need to do in the very near future. So all in all, I think we had a lot of fun installing this hitch and we learned a lot while we were doing it. If you like this video, go ahead and give us a like. If you have any comments, go ahead and leave them in the comment section. We'd love to hear what kind of hitch you have, especially if you have the Hensley Arrow. How has it worked for you?
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, now's a good time to do it. It's the little red button down below. Go ahead and click that. Also, there's a little bell next to it. Go ahead and click that. It'll give you a notification anytime we put out a new episode.
Yep, you won't want to miss one, so go ahead and get it done.
Alright guys, we'll catch you next time.